Ever pondered on the advantages of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, rising to prominence as a health and fitness trend, is more than another diet fad. It's a groundbreaking lifestyle choice. Unlike traditional dieting strategies, intermittent fasting focuses not solely on what you eat, but more importantly, when you eat. This eating pattern involves dividing your day or week into designated periods of eating and fasting, creating a distinct cycle that your body can become to over time. It teaches your body to use the energy it has stored effectively, encouraging a deeper metabolic change rather than just calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting is a practice, not a quick fix. It's a sustainable and adaptive method that shifts focus from deprivation to timing, making it an intriguing and profound departure from conventional diet methods. Curious? But what exactly are the benefits of adopting this unique schedule? Let's take a deeper dive to discover more. One of the most significant benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. But what causes this? The answer lies in the hormonal changes triggered by intermittent fasting that enable the body to burn fat more efficiently. When you fast, your levels go down, which significantly enhances fat burning. But what exactly happens when insulin levels drop? Insulin is a hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in your bloodstream. When you eat, your body releases insulin to help process the glucose in your blood and store it for future energy use. But when you fast, your body doesn't need to release as much insulin because there is less glucose to process. This drop in insulin levels allows your body to use stored fat as energy, leading to weight loss. Not only but your human growth hormone levels surge during fasting periods. Higher levels of this hormone not only promote muscle gain, but also enhance fat burning and play a crucial role in cell repair and longevity. This unique hormonal cocktail induced by fasting helps to elevate your metabolic rate, leading to accelerated weight loss. But the benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight loss. It is also a powerful tool for improving metabolic health. For example, it can help combat insulin resistance, a condition where the cells in your body don't respond well to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels. By reducing insulin resistance, intermittent fasting can help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting also has anti-inflammatory effects, which are beneficial in managing many chronic diseases. Inflammation is a natural response of your immune system to protect your body against harm. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Intermittent fasting helps to lower inflammation levels, thereby reducing your risk of these diseases. Finally, let's discuss heart health. Intermittent fasting has been shown to significantly improve numerous risk factors for heart disease. It contributes to lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, decreasing triglycerides, and reducing inflammatory markers. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health and preventing heart disease. So not only can intermittent fasting help you shed those extra pounds, but it can also considerably enhance your overall metabolic health. But the advantages of intermittent fasting extend far beyond mere weight loss and metabolic wellness. Let's dive deeper to understand its effects on brain health and longevity. When you practice intermittent fasting, your body escalates the production of a specific protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is not just any protein, it's a dynamic element that serves a critical function in neurogenesis, the growth and development of new nerve cells. This process is vital in maintaining a sharp and healthy brain as it effectively improves memory, boosts cognitive functions, and aids in resisting age-induced brain degeneration. When you fast, your body undergoes metabolic changes that instigate the production of BDNF, in turn fosters a healthy brain. But the wonders of intermittent fasting don't merely stop at promoting brain health. It also paves the way for an increased lifespan. How does this? Well, when you fast intermittently, it triggers a biological phenomenon known as autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells to regenerate newer, healthier cells. This process delays the onset of age-related diseases, thereby potentially increasing your lifespan. Intriguingly, scientific studies on rats have demonstrated that these creatures, when fasted, lived anywhere from 36 to 83% longer. Imagine the implications for humans. While these groundbreaking findings suggest that intermittent fasting could significantly impact our longevity, more human trials are needed to fully comprehend this correlation. So, intermittent fasting is not just a tool for weight loss, it could potentially enhance your brain health and even help extend your lifespan. Exploring the potential cancer prevention through intermittent fasting. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting has the potential to aid in warding off certain types of cancer. The research evidence indicates that fasting may attenuate the negative side effects associated with chemotherapy, and more than that, it might even enhance its effectiveness. While the benefits seem promising, it is essential to note that a more in-depth exploration is required to fully understand the connection between intermittent fasting and cancer prevention. Understanding the impact of intermittent fasting on hormone regulation. The practice of intermittent fasting holds great potential in refining the regulation of crucial hormones like insulin, ghrelin, and leptin. These hormones play a vital role in controlling sensations of hunger and satisfaction, as well as maintaining balanced energy. Following a fasting regime aids in the efficient regulation of these hormones, resulting in improved control over appetite and a consistent energy level. Cellular resilience. When it comes to intermittent fasting, one of the most significant benefits is the enhancement of cellular resilience. This can be understood as our body's ability to bounce back and withstand different kinds of stress. Intermittent fasting acts as a trigger, signaling the body to enter a state of resilience. During this state, cells repair and regenerate at a faster rate, contributing to increased immunity and overall health. By fasting intermittently, we give our cells a break from their constant work of processing nutrients, thus allowing them to focus on repair and regeneration. This bolstering of the body's natural capacity to withstand stress can potentially lead to greater overall health and resistance to diseases. Autophagy. Another noteworthy process triggered by fasting is autophagy, in which cells disintegrate and recycle their own constituents. This mechanism aids in the elimination of damaged cells and proteins, potentially lowering susceptibility to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Intermittent fasting, a path to uncomplicated meal planning. When one embraces intermittent fasting, the necessity to arrange and prepare numerous meals is reduced, causing the task of meal planning and preparation to become more manageable. This approach does more than just regulate your diet. It serves as an effective method to maintain well-being while saving time. An added benefit is the potential reduction in food costs. As you begin to adapt to extended periods without eating, you may find your persistent preoccupations with food lessening, resulting in a more laid-back attitude towards meals. We've come across numerous advantages of intermittent fasting during our brief exploration. To summarize, it's not just about weight loss, but also about boosting metabolic health. The benefits aren't only physical either, as it aids in brain health and could even extend your lifespan. Therefore, if enhancing your health and wellness is your goal, we recommend considering intermittent fasting. But as always, remember to seek advice from a healthcare professional before embarking on any new diet journey.